Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, no opinions, just facts and summaries of government documents. June 20th, Supreme Court opinion, Fuld v. Palestine Liberation Organization. All right, here we are talking about the Promoting Security and Justice for Victims of Terrorism Act, or PSJVTA, and whether it violates the Fifth Amendment's Due Process Clause. The PSJVTA deems the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO, and Palestine Authority, PA, to have consented to personal jurisdiction in the U.S. federal courts for civil lawsuits under the Anti-Terrorism Act. Fancy way of saying that they can be sued in civil courts, basically, in the United States, if they engage in specific conduct. 1. Making payments to terrorists in Israeli prisons or their families. Or 2. Maintaining offices or conducting activities in the U.S. 2 lawsuits filed by U.S. nationals injured or killed in terror attacks alleged the PLO and PA triggered this ability to sue them by violating the specific code of conduct. The Second Circuit Court ruled that the PSJVTA's jurisdiction violated due process. However, the Supreme Court reversed, holding that the PSJVTA does not violate the Fifth Amendment. The court found that the Fifth Amendment does not impose the same minimum contact standard as the 14th Amendment, which applies to state courts due to the federal government's broader sovereign authority. The PSJVTA's jurisdiction is tied to conduct involving the U.S. and sensitive foreign policy issues, such as deterring terrorism, and applies only to Anti-Terrorism Act cases against the PLO and PA. The court also found the statute reasonable as it serves compelling U.S. interests, provides a forum for American victims, and imposes no unfair burden on the defendants, who had notice of potential jurisdiction. The cases were remanded with this guidance for further proceedings. So basically, they're saying that these organizations can indeed be sued in civil courts if they violate these standards that are set up. So, Kaimo, keep your mind open, do your own research, form your own opinion. See you in a little bit.